Welcome to a Rainbow Loom hook-only tutorial. My name is Sarah and I'm going to teach you how to make the Groovix bracelet. For this tutorial, I'm using the LumiLoom hook to create this 3-band color bracelet. Slide off the grip from the middle of the hook before you get started. Now let's get our bands and clip ready to make the bracelet. Choose 3 different band colors for your design. Mine are turquoise, gold, and blue. With band color number 1, make a figure 8 cap band on your hook. Attach your easy clip to secure the loop and to get a better grip while making your hook-only design. Grab another band of the same color and pull it through both loops of the cap band. Close the working loop. Grab your second band color, pull through loops 1 and 2, reclaim loop 1, and close. There should be 3 loops on your hook in this order: gold, turquoise, gold. Pull loop number 1 through loop number 2, then pass loop number 2 over loop 1 like this. Using the first band color, pull that through the first loop and close. Pull the closing loop through to form a knot. Now there are 2 loops on your hook. Time to flip your design and begin our first repeat. Slide your bands all the way to the other end of the hook. Flip your hook around and let's go ahead and grab band color number 3. Here, with band color number 3, pull through both loops on your hook and close. Using your second band color, pull through loops 1 and 2, reclaim loop 1, and close. Pull loop 1 through loop 2, then pass loop 2 over loop 1. Another of the third band color, pull it through the first loop and close. Pull that closing loop through to form a knot. Another flip and repeat the previous section until your bracelet is your desired length. Back to band color number 1, pull that through both loops on your hook and close. The second band color, pull that through loops number 1 and 2, reclaim loop 1 and close. Pull loop number 1 through loop number 2, pass loop number 2 over loop 1. Using the first band color, pull that through the first loop and close. Pull the closing loop through to form a knot. And of course, another flip. Now we're using the third band color. Pull that through both loops on your hook and close. Band color number 2, pull that through loops 1 and 2, reclaim loop 1, and close. Then pull loop 1 through loop 2, pass loop 2 over loop 1. With the third band color, pull it through the first loop and close. Finish the step by forming a knot. Keep on flipping and repeating until the bracelet reaches your desired length. When the bracelet is the length that you want it to be, go ahead and attach the final 2 loops to the easy clip to complete your bracelet. Check out more tutorials on Rainbow Loom's YouTube channel or at rainbowloom.com. Thanks for watching!